Hello students, I'm Shanwas here. Next we have exercise 5.2 question number 9. The point xy is equidistant from the point 3, 4 and minus 5, 6. Find a relation between x and y. So what is given? 2 points is given. In this 2 point there is a point between this, that is called x and y. So we need to find the relation between x and y. Okay. So first what we'll do is we'll draw a straight line. So we have drawn a straight line. So this point we can give it as A is 3, 4. So this point is we can give it as B is minus 5, 6. And what they mention is xy is the equidistance, that is equal distance. So we can keep a point P be the equal distance, that is x, y. Now what we do is we need to find the relation between x and y. So what we do is we'll take the distance formula for AP. So from the question we can know that AP is equal to PB, because AP is the same distance and PB have the same distance, both are equal. So we say AP is equal to PB. Now we need to take the distance formula for both AP and PB. We'll take, see, AP, so we'll take this as x1 y1 and this as x2 y2. Okay, that is your wish. So we write x minus 3 the whole square, x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 4 the whole square, y minus 4 the whole square, that is equal to, so we'll take x1 y1 and x2 y2, minus 5 minus x the whole square, minus 5 minus x the whole square, 6 minus y the whole square plus 6 minus y the whole square. We can write like this. Okay, now both sides we have what? Square roots. So we'll cancel the square roots on both sides. Okay, next what we have x minus 3 the whole square. We have this in the formula a minus b the whole square. So what is the formula? A minus b the whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, you already know the formula. So what we do is we'll write x square, that is a square plus b square. B square is 3, 3 3s are 9, minus 2ab, 2 into x into 3, that is 2 3s are 6, 6 into x is 6x. We have got like this. So here again a minus b the whole square formula plus a square is y square, b square is 16 and 2ab, that is here we have minus, so minus 2ab, 4 2s are 2 into 4 is 8, so 8y, that is equal to, right hand side what we have, minus 5 minus x the whole square. So we will be having what? 5 5s are 25, minus and minus plus, so we have 25. Then b square is minus x, so minus and minus plus, so we have x square. So we have 2ab, so minus and minus is plus, so we write plus 2ab, 5 2s are 10x. Okay, then we have what? Plus 6 6 are 36, minus into minus y the whole square is y square minus 2ab, so 6 2s are 12y. I hope you know the formula for a minus b the whole square, a plus b the whole square. You apply, take the formula and apply, you will be getting like this. So I have given directly because already you know how to find a minus b the whole square formula. Okay, so now any cancellation. So left hand side and right hand side we have x square will get cancel, y square and y square will get cancel. Okay, now what we do is we'll bring variables to left hand side and constants to right hand side. So what is our constant here? 9 plus 16 is 25. So we have 9 plus 16 is 25. Okay, so we have next minus 6x. So minus 6x minus 8y, that is equal to 25 plus 36. So 30, 50, 56, 61. We are having 61. Next what we have, plus 10x minus 12y. Okay, so I'll take this what 10x for left hand side, variables for one side. So minus, here we have minus 6x minus 8y, minus 10x for left hand side become minus 10x, minus 12y for left hand side become plus 12y, that is equal to, here we have 61. This constant will go for right hand side, become minus 25. Now we have minus 6x and minus 10x gives you minus 16x. Minus 8y plus 12y gives you plus 4y, that is equal to. So we have 61 minus 36 is how much? 36. Okay, now any common number we have. So 4 is divisible by all the sides. So we say take 4 common outside. So we are having minus 4 4s are 16 plus 1y equal to, so equal to 36. Okay, 4 will go for right hand side. So we have minus 4x plus y equal to 36 by 4. So 36 by 4 is how many times? 9 times. So we have minus 4x plus 5y equal to 9. So this is our relation between x and y. Okay, thank you.